Hello children, we'll be taking standard 6 GK. We'll be starting from chapter number 21 till chapter number 19. It was given, lesson 20 is omitted. Indian Postal Services is the most widely distributed postal system in the world. The ones which are underlined, you will underline and learn. You can see from the video. Then come to the exercise, tick the correct answer. Before that, sounds interesting, you underline this. India once had a post office at dash dash in Antarctica, Dakshin and Dakshin Gangotri. That is one only, Dakshin Gangotri. Then tick the correct answers. The highest post office in the world is located in India. It is at Sikkim. Number 2, India's first floating post office is situated at Dal Lake. Then number 3, how many post offices are there in India? 1,55,015, 155,015. Then number 4, the world's first official AML flight took place in India in 1911. Number 5, the hobby of collecting stamps is known as philately. Then come to lesson number 22. You will underline yourself and learn it as fill in the blanks. I am showing you in the video. You will underline yourself and you will write in the copy. Then coming to the next page, name these famous places in India. Built by Portuguese in India, this cathedral in Goa is one of the oldest and largest cathedral in Asia. You write it. Basilica of Bom Jesus, Basilicasa of Bomjesus. Then number 2, I am telling you only the answers. Gol Gumbaz, Gumbaz. Number 3, Buland Darwaza, Bulanddarwaza. Number 4, Victoria Memorial, Victoriamemorial. Number 5, you will write the Gateway of India, Gateway of India. Number 6, Bibi ka Maqbara, Bibi ka Maqbara. Coming to the next chapter, number 23, tick the correct answer. What are the animals that lay eggs called oviparous? Oviparous. Which bird lays the smallest egg? Vervin hummingbird. Number 3, which bird lays about 15 eggs in single brood? Hen. Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich. Apart from the platypus, which other animal lays eggs? It is Echinida, Echidna. Then number 6, the eggs of cliff nesting birds are, mark the first one, narrow and sharply pointed at the end. Number 7, the study or the hobby of collecting eggs is called Ology, Ollogy. Then number 8, which bird lays the largest egg in the relation to its body size? It is kiwi, Kiwi. Then which of these animals lays soft eggs? It is duck. Then a duck's egg has a waxy layer which makes it water resistant. Then coming to number 24, game, set and match. The first one is, you have to identify the items used in tennis from the description. An extended exchange of shots between the players, rally, a term of 2 successive failed serves, double fault, the score of 40 allis, deuce, DEUCE. It is a decisive game when the set is leveled at 6 games all. Tiebreaker, TIEBREAKER. Number 6, Number 5, mistake made by a player due to his or her own lack of judgment. Unforced error, UNFORCED, unforced error. Then number 6, a game won by player when his or her opponent is serving break. Number 7, a graded list of top players in the tournament. Seeding, SEEDING. Then number 8, strategy to serve and rush to the net to score a point. Serve and volley, SERVE, serve and volley. Then number 9, a score of 0 in a game, love. Number 10, to hit a ball in high arc so that it falls deep into the opponent's court, it is lob. Number 11, a serve that is not reached by the opponent and which scores for the server, advantage, ADVANTAGE. Then number 12, points scored after the 40 all stages in the game, deuce, DEUCE. Rest of the chapters we will be taking in the next class. Thank you.